You can see her right under the water here. Cajun's calf traveling right underneath us. Whoa, getting some whale blow on us.
Whoa, right here.
Wow.
Dang.
Look at this.
Wow. Whoa.
We got a nice picture of it.
It's
Yeah.
amazing
That
look.
way.
You can really learn how big they are now. Sometimes we get really nice treats like that. Wow, so the Cajun is almost there. It's about 50, it's got a 10 to 15 foot fluid there. So I'm about 5 feet. Look at that. Oh, yeah, right next to us. Wow, what a cat. That's jabbering cat here. Literally sitting at that right now. No, we're up close and personal right now. Yeah, right, yeah. Sometimes the cats try to eat close to the Trevor's cat here, definitely checking us out. Make sure to for your neighbor here on the left, if you haven't already. That was amazing.